Marcos. Your father cannot change, he's dead, but you can. Think about what you can do for this country by having a change of heart. You can return all the stolen wealth. You can say sorry. You can invite all the dynasties to give up their dynasty. Do what was not done, but was enshrined in the 1987 Constitution. Kaya going back to the question, what's so special about this celebration? The two calls against corruption and against the dynasty. I think, yung sinabi ni Father Tito, bantayan natin mga kabataan kasi yung mga kabataan yan kumikilos sa salita. Pero alam nyo, maski na mga karaniwang tao, salamat sa mga diskaya, lumabas yung baho ng mga dynasty, pinag-uusapan na ultimo ng mga taxi driver, mga dynasty. So I'd like to reach out to all the dynasties in our country. 40 years of length and 40 days of length. 40 years of length. What have the dynasties done against or for our country? Ano ba naman? What you have done for yourselves, to enrich yourselves, to create your business empire, corporation, lahat ng business sa probinsya ng ganito, hawak ni gobernador. Dynasties, baka yung Vico Soto. Parang sinasabi niya, ayaw ko nang tumakbo. Baka sa 2028 election, you can decide not to run anymore. I challenge any dynasty who loves the country, do not run in 2028. Diba? Let someone not related to you, not a business partner, let your province decide how the province will become better